Damon here at the IGN News. Marvel will be relaunching Invincible Iron Man after Civil War II this fall. While Brian Michael Bendis will still be writing the series, Tony Stark won't be the star anymore. The relaunch series will feature teen genius Riri Williams as Iron Man, and a new artist, Stefano Caselli, will be taking the reins as Riri comes to terms with her new position. Bendis spoke to Time about his inspiration for creating Riri. He said, "As we've been slowly, and hopefully very organically, adding all these new characters to the Marvel Universe, it just seemed that violence inspiring a young hero to rise up and act, and using her science acumen, her natural born abilities that are still raw but so ahead of where even Tony Stark was at that age, was very exciting to me." Bendis was also quick to point out that fans shouldn't assume this announcement spoils the outcome of Civil War II or the fate of Tony Stark. He said, "I can tell you, just because you're hearing what we're saying doesn't mean you know how Civil War II ends. We're not telling you the end at all." Look for Invincible Iron Man #1 to hit stores this fall. For all things Marvel, keep it here at IGN.